What's up, guys? It's March 14th, 9 a.m. and goal today is to get the intake done on the Jetta, cold air intake. You know, I just need two 90-degree bends and then I can finish my intake, hopefully. That's on the agenda. That's what we're gonna go do next. Alright guys, we're done with our little morning walk. Kato got to play with his friend Remington. They're out here going for a walk. Another big dog. They love each other. They play so good. They went running around the park like a bunch of lunatics. Oh, my back. Alright, tis Saturday. I got work to do. Mark III cams, Mark III intake. Lower intake with the injectors installed. Turns out they're not gonna work on this plastic manifold. So that's pretty much junk. Alright guys, got about an hour and a half into this now. We got the Mark III manifold on. The green giant injectors. I removed the washer fluid tank. We'll make a custom one, but the pipe has to go through this hole, so we gotta open that up because the bumper doesn't go, it hits the headlight there. Piping here should work out pretty good. This just happened to be the exact same length from the Mark III. There should be plenty of wiggle room here. Flatten this pipe out if I have to. Wiggle that down there. Probably have to buy the silicone hose kit and delete some bullshit. So everything I've removed today, all this shit is trash. Oh, and this, but I gotta get the throttle body off of it, which I guess I should do now. So the only way to make this really fit worth a flying fuck like that, which doesn't really look nice or really fit all that well, but I mean, it'll work. Zip tying the fuel injector harness, not the actual rail, so it's not a big deal, folks. I got an AN fitting with a barb fitting to a hose and a barb fitting. It's ghetto as fuck, but it's stuck on there now. So now we can tighten up the alternator.
Freaking you out, hitting your head on the roof.
Alright guys, I just finished the downpipe. Welding it, painted it. Sloppy, but it'll work. Oh, I might actually have to go fill those in. Oh hell yeah, I can see light through. God damn it. Another thing. Glad I saw it now though. Doing the oil lines right now. Alright guys, I just finished up the oil drain. I got the oil pan back up, oil return lines finished. You can barely kind of see it, but hey. So I'm anxious to get this car on the ground now so I can see how much clearance I have. It's like a 1/4 inch underneath the axle with the suspension all the way down like this. Which is really sketchy, but I don't care. It's the only way I could do it without, I mean, I want to tap the block next, but this will get me by for now. We got the oil drain done. Sorry about that loud fucking train. decided to skip the Mark III oil pan. I'm gonna go back to the Mark IV because it has a couple bolt holes or a couple transmission bolts that go through it, and that's extra stability when I get the turbo going. Which reminds me, I gotta tighten those bolts right now. Oops. I gotta figure out what I want to do for dinner because this whole lockdown's fucking me. I mean, I don't really have much food storage, so yeah, right there. But yeah, guys, oil drain looks nice. Oh yeah. Really sketchy that axle's gonna be spinning so fast around it, but what do you do? I'm sure some of y'all have done sketchier things. So, I got the Mark III lower intake manifold on. I ported it a long time ago, but like not the whole way through because I'm an idiot. I got the green giant injectors in. I got the Mark IV injector harness zip tied down. The lines are kind of just chilling there. The MSD coil pack is in. That's from my V6 Mustang, actually. Yeah, we're getting there, guys. We're slowly getting there. Day after day I work and I'm exhausted. I'm gonna get a few minutes every day to work on this thing, but it's gonna fucking rain, so I think I got a boogie. I might get some shit picked up. All right. Oh man, more junk. I'm exhausted, guys. We're in this damn quarantine bullshit, whatever you want to call it. Affects everybody but me and online businesses, apparently. I think it's gonna rain tonight too, so I need to get this stuff put up. Oh, I want to drive it. So yeah, the turbo is done now. Oil feed is done. Oil drain is done. Tapped the oil pan today. Probably not in the best spot, but it's done. It's just done and out of my hair now. That's all that matters.